much.
Bye.
I think I'm going to use. I don't even know where to start packing from. Just leave that. Move away from it. No. The one we cut grass with. Yeah, this one is Mona's bag. I'm going to pack hers after mine.
Yeah. It's too shiny. It's like. Yay! Hello, guys. The pack is mine. Yo.
Shemeka's and Mona's new clothes. We start with Mona's clothes.
Mommy, the one.
Yes, the one for them. These are Shemeka's. Mama, this is yours. Mama, this is yours too, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes. This over it.
What is Shemeka doing on top of my suitcase?
I don't know what to try to do. What is that?
And yours.
Is that sleeping dress? Sleeping pouch? Yay, let's go! Yes! Get this me. I'm gonna keep it on this.
Some of Mona's clothes she has not even worn them. Look at, they still have tag. You have so many new clothes that you've not.
Classy.
Some trousers as well that have just been lying here. Mona Chimso doesn't wear trousers.
This kid don't like it.
Mona Chimso doesn't like wearing trousers.
I like wearing skirt because
She likes skirts and knickers. Did you hear that? I like wearing skirts and knickers.
I think it's not good. It's only for boys like Trumka.
Did you hear that? Just because trouser is not for girls, it's only for boys like Shemeka. That's what she thinks.
Ow! Ew!
But she see me wearing trousers. Yeah, she doesn't look at like still got more trousers in here. These are trousers.
I don't like it.
How many times have you seen Mona Chimso wear trousers? These are like trousers. There's no point packing them and going, except I just want to give them out in Nigeria because she will still get there and say I don't like it. But I'm getting a few because of mosquito. At least something she will wear to cover her legs because of mosquito. Not that Mona Chimso and some flies. Not that Mona Chimso likes wearing trousers, but in Nigeria she have to wear them, especially early morning. I don't know, in case of some fly, mosquito. Yeah. She has not worn this one before.
Classy.
And this one too. So I still contact. Even if she doesn't like them. Just the way he's here now, I just go and throw them inside that suitcase. So all of these things will not come back with Mona Chimso as well. She will leave for her little friends back in Nigeria. Come down.
One, two, one. Chloe's not gonna be in danger. This the water trying to get us out. I feel this one's already frozen. Some people in the junior doesn't want no play.
Are you saying that the people in Nigeria don't wear clothes?
But
Is that
my shoes.
That is. That's not mine.
Oh.
yeah?
Yeah, his own little suitcase.
What is that thing here? T-shirt.
Where is he going with octopus?
I don't know. I think he wants to go holiday. With nature. The time he got his.
You can put him there. Is his luggage?
She's so beautiful. I was looking for this last time.
Yeah, put it in the suitcase. Mosquito clothes. I still have my clothes in chemicals wardrobe. New socks. Mama, take your shoes.
Mother wants to wear those. Mama picked them out. What?
But mine.
Mama.
And this is Chemeka.
Big suitcase for Chimaka.
I just want to use them for